today's video, I will share you a simple recipe using carrots, onion, black fungus, oyster sauce, and sugar. First, we have to chop the carrots into flat slices. After chopping it into a flat slice, the next thing we have to do is to chop it into a thin slice. Next is, we're also going to chop the onion into a thin slice. You can prepare more onion if you like. It depends if how many onion you wanted to put to your recipe. We also have a dried black fungus, also known as a tree-ear or cloud ear fungus. It's a kind of mushroom. Black fungus is notably low in fat, high in fiber, and loaded with many essential vitamins. If you want to know more about the black fungus, see the description below. Soak in water until soft and then wash. After you wash it, remove it from the water. Make a boil water in a pan. Put the black fungus and then boil it. Let it boil for 5 minutes. After boiling, remove it and let it dry. Put some oil. It has to be a little bit more of oil. Put the onion in a pan. Cook it until it's a bit brown. Add the carrots. Cook until the carrots is soft. Add the black fungus. Add an oyster sauce. You can use any kind of oyster sauce that you prefer to use. add a small amount of sugar. Our simple recipe is done and it's ready to serve. And now, you can enjoy this simple recipe together with your family. Have a healthy life with a healthy food. That's all for today, everyone.